everyone. I really need to apologize for my voice, but I have something so important to share with you. Share it with you that I cannot wait until my voice is fine again. So, I'm sick today at home after a wonderful 3 weeks in Central Asia where I traveled through Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Tajikistan. And I got home, I had this beautiful plan what I'm going to do and what I'm going to focus on. And then I got sick. And I got like, not sick like going to hospital, but sick like I don't feel well. And I've been reading through notes from Tony Robbins' Business Mastery. And I was thinking about my career path since I graduated, because it's almost 2 years since I finished my master program and sustainable innovations in the triple degree. And I realized like I don't have as much career success and growth as I would imagine to. And reading through the Tony Robbins notes, I realized 2 things which are so crucial. So first of them is you get what you tolerate. You get what you tolerate. Listen to me carefully and think about it. Anytime we're going to change something is the moment when we decide, I'm not going to tolerate this anymore. It's really that crucial moment. And remember, in the past, when you change your partner, when you change the school, when you change the environment, when you change the way you look, everything you have in your life, everything, your friends, your environment, your work, your colleagues, your family, your health status, everything is what you only tolerate. Is nothing more, nothing less. It's just like what you tolerate. And then when you decide like, no, I'm worth of something much more, you decide, I'm not going to tolerate this misery. I'm not going to tolerate it. I'm not paid enough. I'm not going to tolerate that I'm not part of this group. I'm not going to tolerate the way I look. I'm going to do something about it. But you need to have like the moment when you decide, no, I'm not going to tolerate it, is the moment where like there is this inner fire within you. And you kind of need to go, you get to the point where you feel like uncomfortable enough to change the situation and make the circumstances in your favor. And the second thing, so important, because I've been coaching you for studying abroad, career development, and I was coaching myself. I was getting a coaching sessions, and I was feeling quite miserable about some aspects. To be specific, I was like, how I'm going to bring the value to you guys, how I'm going to find the clients, and what are going to be the niche areas. And I also live in Czech Republic, and I bring some services here. And I was like so much focusing on how I'm going to do that, how I'm going to do this, how I'm going to blah, 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 blah. And then the Tony Robbins says, don't focus on how, focus on what. And this is so important. It's like when you're going to focus on how I'm going to write the letter the best, but you are missing what is at the end. Focus on I am studying there. Focus on I am running the business. Focus on what? Healthy body, healthy relationship. Don't put so much pressure and torturing yourself on how I'm going to lose the weight, because you will find the ways. You will find it. It's inevitable. It's inevitable. So it's something so crucial I wanted to share with you. Whenever you are a student, you're working, you are retired, whatever, I find these 2 pieces of advice so important. Focus on what instead of how, and you got what you tolerate. So this is everything for today. I'm going to rest now, but I am really looking forward to get back to YouTube and share something really exciting, because a lot of cool things are coming. And I am so excited about how you guys doing. Many of you who are watching my channel are not actually subscribed to this channel. So if you could please hit this little tiny button, it will mean so much to me, and it could help also to spread the word across through other people. So I wish you beautiful day. It's really sunny today, but yeah, today is the time for rest, and that's one of the last things I actually discussed today with my friend. It's when you give yourself a task to rest today, rest. It feels like so much better because you set a goal for you and you accomplished it, instead of when you say, I'm going to do this, and then you don't do it, and then you rest. Feeling like going to rest when you decide today is a rest day feels so much better, and it builds your confidence, as an opposite to when you say, I'm going to do this, and you just rest, and you procrastinate, and then you are losing slowly your confidence. So this has been enough for today, and I am going to save my voice for later. Bye bye.